Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today for this stationery or card box to give as a gift. So here is the completed box with the stationery inside, and I've used the prize Peony stamp set to create a set of 4 cards, note cards, and envelopes that I'm going to give as a gift. And so to package these, I'm using one of our acetate card boxes that you just easily assemble. And I've got one already there with the tabs tucked in. And I'm going to slide my cards inside and tuck in the top flap. You can see there is room for more cards there if you'd like to add some. So I'm going to put a belly band first of that prized Peony Designer Series paper, or Peony Garden Designer Series paper, that's cut at 2.5 by 12, and I'm just going to wrap it around and adhere one end over the overlap there with Stampin' Seal Plus. Now I'm taking some of the Petal Pink Organdy striped ribbon that goes with this because I've used Petal Pink as my ink on my stationery cards, and I'm going to tie a bow and just cut off the ends there. I like to leave the ribbon on the bolt when I'm tying a bow so I have plenty to work with. So now let's get some Whisper White cardstock scrap, and I'm taking another penny from that set, stamping it in Petal Pink, and then the sentiment, which is a friendship sentiment, and I'm going to ink it up in gray granite, which is the other color in the designer paper, and stamp it over the peony. Then I'm going to take the Essentials tag punch from the mini catalog and punch that out, and that's going to complete it. But first we've got to add a little bling, and these faceted gems are beautiful in Petal Pink, clear, and white. So I'm putting 3 of those on, going to attach it with some Stampin' Seal Plus and adhere it just beneath the bow. And so now my gift is ready to give, wrapped, and will be appreciated. I hope you'll give this a try. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com and let me know if you have questions. Take care. Bye-bye.